Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today I am going to tell you about the origin of the writing. I am your friend Shahid Abbas from Shahid Abbas Tutorial. We discuss origin of the writing in a world in which immediate access to words and information is taken for granted. It is hard to imagine a time when writing began. Archaeological discoveries in ancient Mesopotamia, now mostly modern Iraq, show the initial power and purpose of writing, from administrative and legal functions to poetry and literature. Mesopotamia was a region comprising many cultures over time speaking different languages. The earliest known writing was invented there around uh, 3400 BC before Christ in an area called Sumer near the Persian Gulf. The development of the Sumerian script was influenced by local materials, clay for tablets and reeds for styluses, writing tools. Styluses means writing tools. At about the same time or a little later, the Egyptians were invented their own form of hieroglyphic writing. Hieroglyphic writing. Writing began with the pictographs, like picture words drawn into clay with a pointed tools. This early administrative tablet was used to record food rations for people, shown by a person's head and bowl, visible on the lower left side. Pictographs and numbers show amounts of grain allotted to cities and types of workers, including big herders and groups associated with the religious festivals. From pictures to writing in everyday life. Writing evolved when someone decided to replace the pointed drawing tool with a triangular reed stylus. The reed could be pressed easily and quickly into clay to make wedges. At first, the wedges were grouped to make pictures, but slowly the groups evolved into more abstract signs and became the sophisticated script we call cuneiform, wedge-shaped in Latin. Cuneiform means wedge-shaped in Latin. About 1,000 signs represented the names of the objects and also stood for words, syllables, and sounds are parts of them. Cylinder seals are signatures on the clay. To sign a clay documents and sometimes to guarantee that it was officially closed, Mesopotamians used seals mostly for durable and sometimes expensive materials. Many could be worn or pinned on like a jewelry. In 1700s, scholars began to take note of the cuneiforms on surviving clay fragments and stone monuments, but they didn't understand what was written. In 1786, when a French traveler brought this dramatic black kuduro, a small stone monument, to Paris, inventive translations of the text were proposed, such as the Army of Heaven gives us vinage to drink solely to provide us remedies able to bring us healings. In the 1800s and 1900s, archaeological excavations revealed thousands of cuneiform documents, and the variations of the script across the languages and time were slowly deciphered. This was the short history of the origin of the writing. Okay,